Hello HRNet, welcome back to your favorite channel, HR Channel. Today, we're diving deep into another fascinating topic that combines science, facts, and education, all backed by reliable data. So, get ready to explore the wonders of our world with us.
In the previous episode on the HR channel, I explained how the sea was formed from two interrelated perspectives, namely the Quran and science. But have you ever wondered why fresh water and salt water don't mix immediately when they meet? In the Al-Quran on the previous episode this was discussed using Surah Al-Furqan verse 53. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind this mysterious phenomenon from a scientific perspective. This unique separation is even mentioned in the Quran as barzakh, a barrier that prevents the mixing of two different bodies of water. But how does this work in scientific terms? In scientific terms, the boundary between fresh and salt water is known as a halocline. This invisible barrier exists because of differences in salinity and density. Fresh water is less dense than salt water, so it tends to float above, forming distinct layers. You can see this phenomenon in places like estuaries, where rivers meet the sea, and at the Strait of Gibraltar, where the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean meet, creating a spectacular sight. Geological features such as the shape of the coastline, underwater topography, and river sediment also play crucial roles in maintaining these boundaries. But the question is, how geological features can maintain these boundaries? I will try to answer this question with simple words which can explain as logically geological perspective. The shape of the coastline is crucial in determining how fresh water from rivers meets and mixes with salt water from the ocean. In areas with open coasts, mixing happens rapidly. But in bays and estuaries, where the coastline forms natural barriers, fresh water can remain isolated from salt water for longer periods, creating a unique environment. The underwater landscape, including ridges, troughs, and coral reefs, can act as natural barriers, slowing down the mixing of waters with different salinity. These features create distinct zones where fresh and salt water can remain separate. In places like the Strait of Gibraltar, the underwater ridge helps maintain a clear boundary between the Mediterranean and Atlantic waters. Rivers carry sediments from the land into the ocean, creating a natural barrier at their mouths. These sediments can form deltas or muddy zones that prevent immediate mixing. In the Amazon River estuary, for example, the plume of sediment-rich freshwater extends far into the ocean, reducing mixing with salt water and creating a visible boundary. These geological features don't work in isolation. They interact to create complex environments where freshwater and saltwater coexist but don't easily mix. The interplay of coastline shape, underwater topography, and river sediments shapes the unique boundaries between different types of water, preserving the delicate balance in these ecosystems. Seasonal changes, like monsoons or dry seasons, also influence these boundaries. Increased river flow can push freshwater further into the ocean, while calm conditions allow sediments to settle, reinforcing the boundary. Understanding these dynamics is key to managing coastal environments and preserving their biodiversity. Human activities such as dam construction, dredging, and coastal development can alter these natural boundaries, disrupting the delicate balance. Managing these activities with an understanding of geological features is essential to protect these crucial environments. The boundaries between freshwater and saltwater are more than just lines on a map, they are living systems shaped by the forces of nature and human influence. By understanding these geological features, we can better protect the ecosystems that depend on them. Comment below if you have any questions or insights about these fascinating natural phenomena. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to HR channel for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of our planet.
Terima kasih telah menonton. Jangan lupa untuk like, Subscribe, dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasi di HR Channel untuk mendapatkan lebih banyak video menarik lainnya.